Thumbnails, huh? I used to think making them was some kind of secret YouTuber magic, but turns out it's not that hard. Let me show you how to make your first basic thumbnail, and I promise, no design degree needed, and it's super easy. Start by opening the Canva app. If you don't have it yet, you can download it for free from the App Store. Once you're in, tap Create a Design and select YouTube Thumbnail from the options. There are tons of templates available. Just choose the one you like or that suits your purpose. There are so many to choose from, almost too many. All right, let's go with this one. Yeah, this should do the trick. Now, let's customize your background. Everything you see is customizable. You can change anything exactly how you want, and it's super easy. The nice thing about Canva is that it's incredibly user-friendly, and you'll learn it in no time. You can change the color, upload your own images, or pick one from Canva's library. Just tap the background and choose your preferred style. Next, tap text to add a catchy headline. Make sure to use bold and large fonts so your thumbnail stands out. Let's make it a bit more interesting. A plain thumbnail is fine, but adding some graphics can make it really pop. You can throw in arrows to point at something important, emojis to add some personality, or even icons to make it more eye-catching. Just tap on elements in Canva and go wild. Let's add an arrow, just like that. Now, let's change the color so it matches the rest of the thumbnail. Perfect. All right, time to make it even better with some extra graphics. How about an AI-themed graphic? AI is super popular right now, so it could grab more attention. Let's search for one. This one looks good. Remember, don't overcomplicate it. Keep it simple, but eye-catching. Once you're happy with the thumbnail, tap the download button at the top. Make sure to choose PNG for the best quality. Now, your thumbnail is ready to upload to YouTube. That's it. You just made a YouTube thumbnail on your phone using Canva. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more phone-friendly design tips.